All right, so first thing we're going to be looking at is something called the power rule or the power property. All right, so what we're going to be looking at is really easy peasy stuff. So let's see here, something like this. We're going to say log of 20 to the fifth power, right? So we already talked about the log of the property, and yep. So all you're going to do is just change it to be the 5 times the log of 20, and then just use your calculator at that point. So we go 5 log 20, and we get 6.51. Okay. And then we also going to do stuff with numbers and letters. So we do like the log of v, and we go 3x, something like that. All right. So what we would get is you just put that x in front. Make sure you put the base there, and you put your value, and that's your answer because we don't know what x and v are. So we just leave it like that. Okay. So then you also can change it to the change of base, depending on what we want to do with it. So we could actually do it like that if we wanted to. Okay. And then, let's see here, how can I put this? Oh, I'm going to do this. Okay. So if I was to say x squared, what undoes something to the second power? It's taking the square root. Okay. So it undoes that power, correct? Okay. So the cool thing is that if I have the natural log of e, that's just going to be equal to 1. Okay. So then, because the natural log undoes the e, all right? And so if I have e to the natural log of, say, 6, these two undo each other, so we're left with just 6. So the natural log and the power of e, not the power of e, but the e function undo each other, okay? Got that part? Okay. Here, I'll show you on the calculator. So natural log, let's see here. Let's put in 8. So whatever the power is, that's what you're going to get for your answer. Okay? All right. So then we're going to talk about change of base again. So this one would look something like log of 7, and let's go to 18. Okay? So then the change of base, what happens is we take the top number and we just do the log of 18 over the log of 7, because if you remember, the logs are based in 10. And so if we have anything to the 10th power, it actually does the log. Okay, so then we come to our calculator, we just do log of 18 divided by the log of 7, and we get approximately 1.49. Logarithms. This is the easy stuff. No, chapter 4 is easier. This is if you can remember all the formulas and stuff. Okay. So then we have, let's see here. Oh, yes. We've already been doing this. So there's something called the one-to-one property. This just allows us to take the log on both sides. So let's see here. Let's do this. How about 7, and then we'll go 4t is equal to 6,993 and 721. So then at this point, I can take the log like we did before. So when I take the log, I get 4t. The log of 7 is equal to 6,993,721. And then I divide by what we've been doing like we did before. Oops, that should be log. So we'd have the log of 6,993,721 divided by 4 log of 7. I wonder what that's going to give me. 6,993,721 divided by 4 log 7. 2.02. 2 years. Okay,